Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Squarespace for building a portfolio step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Squarespace website. Click on the Get Started button to begin your journey. Select a template that suits your portfolio style. Explore the template options available to find one that resonates with you. Once you choose a template, click on Start with this design. Sign up for an account by entering your email address and setting a password. After registration, you will enter the website editor dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation panel on the left side. To edit your site title, click on Pages and then click on the plus icon. Select Page to create a new page for your portfolio. Rename the page to reflect your portfolio or desired content. To add content to your portfolio page, click on the page you just created. Use the Edit button in the top left to modify your content. Select the type of content block you want to add, such as a text block or image block. For images, click Image and upload your portfolio pieces from your device. Arrange your images by dragging them to the preferred location. Adjust image settings, like size and alignment, within the image block settings. To add text, click Text and enter your project details or descriptions. Consider using headings and subheadings to organize your content clearly. You can also add galleries by selecting the Gallery block option. Choose the gallery layout that best showcases your work. After editing your page, preview your changes by clicking the Preview button. If everything looks great, return to the editor and click Save. Next, to customize your site's design, click on Design in the left navigation. Explore options for fonts, colors, and the overall layout of your site. Use the Site Styles section to adjust the aesthetics to match your personal brand. To ensure your portfolio is mobile-friendly, preview it on a mobile device. Once satisfied, return to the dashboard and select Settings. Here, go to Basic Information to set your site title and contact email. Finally, when you're ready to publish, click on Settings and then Domains. Register a new domain or connect an existing one if necessary. After setting your domain, click on the Publish button to make your portfolio live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.